Hello, Namaste, Adab guys. This is Avni. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Creative Hub. Guys, today in this video, I have brought something new for you. Today, I'm going to show you how can you use ceramic. So let's begin to make our ceramic dough. So you will need a bowl full of ceramic powder, white adhesive, and any body moisturizer. So first transfer the ceramic powder into any container which you are using to knead the dough. Now add white adhesive to it. Guys, I have mixed equal amount of water to the white adhesive I have taken. It will help you to knead a more soft dough. Go on adding small amount of white adhesive to the ceramic powder. Make sure do not add all the mixture at once. Mix it. To mix all of the mixture or all of the white adhesive at once, the powder will start forming lumps and you won't get a good finish. Once you see that your powder changed color, try to assemble all the lumps. You will see that all the ceramic powder's particles will start sticking to each other and they will start to form a dough. You will need a good amount of adhesive. You won't get a good dough if you don't add amount of adhesive. You can see that our dough is almost ready and it's not sticking to my fingers even if I'm touching it. So the last step you need to do is take some body moisturizer on your palm and rub it and start kneading the dough. Thus the dough will stay soft for long. Knead it nicely and see it's ready. So soft, isn't it? So thank you for watching guys. Hope so you will use it. In my upcoming video I'm going to show you how can you make a wind chime using ceramic dough or ceramic. So stay